This is such a Japan fusion Japanese fast food restaurant in rural Maryland. Let's go inside.
Sunrise creeping, hunger pangs start to bite. Day is moving, need to make it right.
I want a chicken
Thinking about the
teriyaki.
flavor, oh so grand. The best lunch
White rice.
waiting across the land.
Yeah.
Teriyaki, sweet and savory,
Yeah.
perfect lunch time dream. Chicken glaze, so golden. A culinary gleam, white rice fluffy, veggies green and bright. Every single mouthful, pure delight. Walk into the kitchen, a spring in my step now. Anticipation building, I don't